If you're looking for a more affordable new construction option and you really want to stay under $400,000, I'm going to show it to you today right here in my hometown of Parrish, Florida. Stick around. Hey everybody, Catherine Newman, agent here in Parrish, Florida, my hometown, and I want to share with you today a great option for those of you that want to stay under $400,000, and that's really, really rare right now in any market, but especially in the area of Parrish or Lakewood Ranch, anywhere in Manatee or Sarasota County. So I want to share this new community. It is called Broadleaf. And this might really fit for those of you that want to stay away from high community fees. As you know, most new construction homes carry with them CDD fees, really high HOA fees, or vice versa, high CDD fees, lower HOA fees. Of course, all of that adds up to your bottom line. So if you're not wanting to pay all of those community fees, this really might be a great option for you. And Broadleaf is brought to you by a company that is actually a division of Neil Homes called Simply Dwell. And there's several other floor plans. We're going to hit to that later, but before we do, make sure you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel so I can keep this great content coming at you.
So let me first show you the map of this community. This is the site map, and I've turned it on its side so it makes more sense. This road right here is Golf Course Road, and you see there's going to be two separate entrances and exits that go into the community, which is really nice. They've done a beautiful job. I'm going to show you a picture of that in a second. And then you can see that they've started the first few phases. They're probably going to be building in here for the next several years. There are going to be 266 homes overall, which is kind of nice because it's not massively huge like some of the other areas. And then if you notice here, there are some lots that are going to be available in this first phase. If you see right here and here, that's sort of the first phase where you can choose what house you want, whatever homes are available. They are a inventory builder. That means they're going to have the homes ready already, meaning they've already decided which floor plan is going to go on which lot, and then you can just pick out what lot you want that has the house on it already that you like. And you can see some of these are going to have some nice water views. And then the other ones you can see here are going to be homes that are back to back. But I wanted to give you a lay of the land here. In the back of the community, it looks like those are going to be some of the best options for finding the house you want, especially if you want to see water and some preserve views. So you'll have to wait for that section to be started, that phase to be started. And if you're worried about how much backyard space you're going to have, I took this video. It's not really bad. I mean, look how much space there is between the backyards of these houses. So here at Broadleaf, they're going to offer two series of homes. The first series is called the Freedom Series. And as you can see, it's going to range anywhere from a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,312 square feet, all the way up to a 5-bedroom home, 2.5 bath, about 2,413 square feet. And of course, this large home has a primary suite that's on the main level. It's got a bonus room and a tech space. It's got a mud room and a storage room. So they're going to offer quite a bit of square footage here in their first series. And the prices are going to range anywhere from $310,000 for the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, all the way up to about $376,000 for the larger homes. And all of the homes in the Freedom Series are going to have $91 a month HOA fees. So remember, no CDD fees, which is really great, just $91 a month for the HOA.
So here we are at the amenity center, and again, there's not a lot of amenities here, the kind that you would be used to at a lot of the other communities, you know, fitness centers and clubhouses and pools and that sort of thing. But you are going to have cornhole here, if you guys are into that sort of thing. And here's an events lawn. And I can just imagine the weekends, especially when it's not so hot here like it is right now in the middle of summer. But I can imagine on this event lawn that there will be organized activities for the kids, maybe Easter egg hunts, maybe soccer, games like that. And you've just got some shaded area. Then you've got some benches, you know, so you can come and check out what's going here. And then here you've got this little shaded pavilion. You want to come and bring a picnic, all the kids are playing. And then if you walk down this way, you see that there is Foursquare. You know, I've never played Foursquare. And of course, hopscotch. You can see that beautiful view, water retention pond there. And then if you just want the kids to burn off some energy so they sleep better at night, maybe go to bed a little bit earlier. And then there's a little playground area here too with some shade. So this is a nice little amenity center. This is what you get for your HOA dues. And of course, this is the back of some of the community mailboxes. This is very common in most new communities now. It's just easier for the mail to get to community boxes. And of course, it's always safer. So here you go, guys. This beautiful amenity area.
And the second series of homes is called the Paradise Series. Again, 5 floor plans in the Paradise Series, both single level and 2-story. And the smallest one in this series is going to be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,575 square feet. And of course, the Juniper is the largest home they offer, a 5-bedroom, 3-bath. Again, it has a flex room on the first level. There's a loft on the second level. And it's about 2,600 square feet. And for the smallest square footage in this series, the Paradise Series, they're going to start about 346,000. And the largest home that has that 2,600 square feet, that's going to be the only home right now. Of course, you know how those prices like to go up, but right now, that's the only one that is over 400, starting at 410. So you have 9 floor plans in either of these series that you can stay under that $400,000 price mark if that's something that's important to you. And the monthly HOA fee for the Paradise Series is going to be $113 a month.
And today we're going to look at one of their models. This is the only one that's open right at the moment. It's called the Azalea. Let's get in there.
So if you want a big backyard like this and you want more information on this community, give me a call. And don't forget to like and subscribe.